Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is internet time. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you're new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is internet time? Internet time may refer to Network Time Protocol or NTP, a method for synchronizing device clocks via internet. So what's internet time? A unit of decimal time, time server, an internet server that distributes time information to clients. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is internet time is all about. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.